If you have questions, we have answers. Join us live every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin' RV Tech, presented by RVTravel.com.
Here's a sample from one of our recent shows.
And John says, I have a Coachman Class C, and the gasket squeaks between the cab, roof, and the RV. Yep. Yes, it does.
And a common, yeah.
Yeah.
Prelude?
Yeah. Go ahead and how would you fix that?
Dry silicone spray lube. We've added some silicone to them. Sometimes we replace the gaskets if we were able to get to them. Check to make sure that that nothing's loose on the body mounts for the coach to the cab. Make sure that the cab's not loose. And sometimes it's just a characteristic of the shake of the coach.
Yeah. It's a challenge with the Class C because you've got the cab from the chassis manufacturer.
And if you have a slide out in there and the slide out's moving or shaking.
Yep. And then you've got your overhead and the weight of that. And, some of these put these massive big beds in there. And eventually what happens is, and it's fastened all the way around the opening of that cab, but it's all covered up most of the time. Now, sometimes you might be able to take the mattress off of it, take a look and see if there's a false floor and what's fastening that. I know that we've had some that have leaked in the past. And what we did is we basically tore it apart up on the top of it and tried to raise the roof enough to get some more sealant, a rubber seal up in there, because that's normally what's in there is a rubber gasket. And it's just gasket squeaks. So, it might not be just a gasket. It might be the fasteners are loosened up. And when I say fasteners, it's screws. And we've come back in the past and literally bolted a few of those down, put a little plate on the inside because it's rotten around the base. Yeah.
Remember the metal that would clip against it?
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes the metal would get wet and it would loosen the clips, and then you would hear like a squeak of that.
Yeah.
So we've had to squirt some silicone and stuff, get up in there the best you can and inject it with some silicone just to try to keep it from doing that.
Yeah, there's no easy fix on those. It's just trial and error to trying to figure out what's causing all that.
Yeah. Join us live this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin' RV Tech.
You can join us on any of the YouTube or Facebook destinations linked below.
We hope to see you there.